The Capri Pedicure Spa Chair is on a whole nother level. Its sleek lines and comfortable design will satisfy even the most selective clients. Before showing all the wonderful features of the Capri, we want to mention that if you order the chair, please hold on to your original packaging at least until you've tested all the functions of the chair. Once you confirm everything is working properly, we recommend keeping the packaging for the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functions. You can control the seat with the included hand remote. The seat slides forwards and backwards, and the backrest angle can be adjusted. The hand remote also controls the built-in backrest massage rollers. There are tons of different settings you can choose from to give your clients ultimate relaxation. The armrests are adjustable, and you can swing them up. Swinging them up makes it easier for your client to get on or off the chair. On one side, the armrest has a cup holder. The Capri's upholstery is super plush and comfortable. Your clients will love sitting on this chair. The pillow is removable. It's also magnetic, and it can be placed at different heights on the backrest. The footrest on the Capri is adjustable. There's a retractable hose you can use for filling the tub. Inside the tub, you'll find a motorized jet. You can purchase optional tub liners for the Capri. You just hook the liners onto 4 hooks around the top of the tub. Make sure if you choose to go with liners that you remove the jet magnet and reattach it inside the liner. The water temperature control is adjustable. To turn the jet on, simply switch the whirlpool knob to on. Inside the tub is a small light that cycles through different colors. The jet inside makes this super relaxing for your clients. When you're not performing a treatment, ensure that the jet is turned off. This knob allows you to drain water from the tub. Our Capri chair comes with a complimentary discharge pump. Make sure when the tub is empty that you switch the drain to off. One last thing regarding the water system, if you order the Capri, please make sure that all plumbing is installed, sealed, and assured by a licensed plumber. The Capri comes in 4 different colors, and the cherry on the cake, the chair comes with a free matching stool. Thank you for your interest in the Capri Pedicure Spa Chair. If you'd like to learn more about it, you can click the link on the top left corner of the video screen.